You guys, the hackers are after PZ9, and we think PZ9 is our best friend, Justin.
Yeah, because we need to find PZ9 before the Project Zorgo members find him.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go undercover, and I'm gonna try to get clues from them and stuff, okay?
Okay.
And if I find anything, I'm gonna write it in blue ink. Yeah, that's how you know it's me.
And where are you gonna leave the first clue?
How about at 2:30 p.m., I'm gonna leave it by the rock pile.
Good luck, Daniel.
Good luck, guys.
Sure your CWC merch is not showing.
You can't see it, right?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, shoot.
Right there.
Okay, good?
Yeah, great.
All right, here we go.
I don't think he knows how to tuck in his shirt.
Yeah, there's a hacker right there.
Wait, do you think that's Justin?
Let me see. Spy ninjas, can you tell if that's Justin? It's too far away, I can't really tell.
All right, got my binoculars here. Okay, let me zoom in.
What do you see, V?
The hacker, I can't tell how tall he is, but I know Justin's like really tall. He's over 6 feet tall, but he's definitely bigger than Justin.
Why don't we get up and take a closer look so we can see if that is Justin? Go. Stay down.
I mean, I'm hoping that's Justin right there.
Yeah.
I think it might be, because if it is, it would be really great because we can just go up there and convince him to join the Spy Ninjas.
Exactly, but we're not sure. Ooh, stay down. There we go. We're not sure if that is Justin or not, so we can't just go talk to him yet. I think we need to get a closer look to see if it is indeed Justin. Oh, shh, stay down. He's right there. He's getting closer.
What's he doing? He's getting really close. I think the only way to find out if that's really Justin is that you go and confront him to a battle royale, because Justin is a really good fighter.
Here, Regina, take the camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait for the hacker to walk by, and then I'm gonna jump out, battle royale. If that hacker does not know ninja skills, we know that that is not Justin. All right, give me a countdown, girls.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, hacker! Ninja battle royale, let's see your moves. Yeah, bring it on. See if you can do a little bit of this, a little bit of this. Yeah, come on. Okay. I'm not sure about this hacker.
Yeah, I don't know if it's Justin, Chad.
I can tell you don't have any ninja skills, hacker. I'm gonna give you a warning punch. Come on. Yeah, get out of here. Get it. Come on, leave.
Yeah, I don't think that was Justin or PZ9 at all.
Yeah, definitely not. Justin and I went to karate class together when we were little kids. That's how we met. He's really good at karate. That was not Justin.
Oh, it's my alarm.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's the alarm that Daniel is supposed to leave us a clue over the pile of rocks over there.
Right over there.
Now, there's no hackers around first before we head over there.
Okay.
I think I scared the last one away.
Yeah.
All the rest went into the tunnels, I think.
I think the coast is clear, guys.
I think so.
So Daniel, have the clue here?
Somewhere, we gotta find them.
Can't find it anywhere. Any luck from you guys?
Found a stick.
Is there writing on it?
No.
Oh man. Keep your eyes out. If you guys see, jeez, slippery rocks. Oh gosh.
Oh, Chad, come here. I think I found
What?
something. In between these rocks right here.
It's so dark, I can't see.
All right.
Oh,
There's a note.
sweet.
Check if it's blue ink.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is. And
Nice.
it's not from like a black paper, so Project Zorgo.
Well, it must be from Daniel.
All right, it says, wait, PZ9 is somewhere in the tunnels?
Oh no.
The spirit tunnels.
The spirit tunnels, those are the tunnels that if you go in, you might never find your way out. People get lost in those.
Regina got lost in there.
I did, for like weeks.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm willing to go back in there for PZ9. I don't even know Justin.
You gotta help us rescue him. He's a good friend.
Yeah, he'll be a great addition to the Spy Ninjas because he knows a lot of martial arts.
Assuming we can convince him to leave Project Zorgo. If PZ9 is even Justin, though, I'm still not totally sure about that.
Whoa, back up.
What's that? What's going on?
Right here. Oh my gosh.
Gosh, it's clumsy.
Oh my gosh.
There's a hacker guarding the gates, Chad.
There is?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a peek over. Let me see.
Oh yeah, look over there. There's a hacker guarding the tunnels.
Justin is like 6'2". He's really tall. Do you think that might be Justin over there?
It might be. That guy was really tall.
Kind of looks like PZ9.
I don't want to go up there. He looks really big. Actually, I'm not that scared to fight him.
How about like we just trying to figure out some information about the hacker? I have this ball here, Chad.
Okay.
So maybe I can like record a question that only you and Justin and the Spy Ninjas know.
Oh, that's a great idea. Let me see that ball. I remember this ball. I did do not
Something
take
like
my peanut butter.
Wow.
You remember that?
No.
All right. There's a red button right here. This is a spy ball. I'm gonna record my voice.
Wait. Before you record your voice, you have to sound like a Project Zorgo member. He's not going to respond to you if you're Chad.
You're right. Okay, I can do that. No problem. I can do a voice. Okay. Listen to this. Attention, Project Zorgo member. Answer this now. What was your favorite sport as a young lad? I had to sound British there, so I said lad.
Oh,
Yeah, that'll
that's a
trick
great
him.
idea.
I'm so smart. Yeah, and then if he answers and says karate, that's gotta be Justin for sure, because Justin wasn't really into any other sports other than karate. Let's
I'm gonna roll. Okay, guys, he's right there.
Yeah, give it a real strong roll, V.
too strong. It went all the way in the tunnel.
Attention, Project Virgo member. Answer this now. What was your favorite sport as a young lad?
Favorite sport? Jiu-jitsu.
He said jujitsu. Chad,
Karate, right?
I mean,
What?
it's similar. It's
I
similar.
mean, it's martial arts. Did you ever take jujitsu with Justin?
No, never, but he might have taken it himself.
So we don't know if it's Justin or not yet.
Wait, guys. Oh, look. He's coming our way.
Oh, shoot. Hide.
Oh, maybe this is
Get
where
out, get out.
Oh, Spy Ninjas, did you guys see his neck?
That's the hacker that burned down your guys' house.
Wait, you know that hacker, Regina?
I don't know him.
What if Justin is the one who burnt down our house?
Yeah, because he used to live with us back in California.
Oh my gosh, yes. He's got burnt skin. It's that hacker with burnt skin.
Okay, the hacker, I think he left. He left that ball there.
Check it out. See the ball still sitting there?
We gotta get in there quick and rescue Justin.
Go. Okay,
I think the coast is clear.
I think so.
What if you get trapped in here again, PZ4?
I don't want that
mean-
to ever happen again.
Regina, I gotta get used to calling you Regina still.
Oh yeah, I
How'd
have a
that-
name.
Oh my gosh, it's getting dark.
Getting dark.
So as long as we stay close together, we'll be fine.
Yeah, exactly.
And I know my way out, you guys.
Wait, stop. What is that? Did you see that?
It's like a blob.
It's someone laying there. The hacker.
Do you think that's Justin right there? I mean, if it is, we need to go save him.
I know, but be careful. It might be a trap.
That's true. Project Zero was known to do that. Let's approach with caution. I'm scared.
Justin? Hello?
Hey Justin, PZ9, it's me, PZ4.
I'm gonna throw this at him. He didn't react at all.
Is he okay?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I threw it on his arm, and he didn't react at all.
Justin!
We're not here to hurt you.
Justin, it's us!
Justin! Okay, you guys, I'm gonna unmask him to see if it's Justin, okay?
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Let's see.
3, 2, 1.
What?
He doesn't have a face?
What is this?
What?
Is this a trap?
It's a pillow! This is a trip.
It is a pillow.
Did you just sat on him?
You sat on Justin.
Oh, it's not Justin.
Oh, it's a pillow.
Is there Project Zorgo around here?
I don't know. It might be a trap, but let's just check the pockets to see if there's any clues as to where PZ9 is.
Okay, okay.
Let's see here.
What, you got a light?
Yeah.
Yeah, come prepared.
Come prepared.
There's nothing in the pockets.
Okay.
This pillow is really comfortable though. I kind of want to bring it home.
Yeah, should we?
Yeah, Regina, your safe house doesn't have any pillows.
I know, just bean bags.
We'll take it then.
In here.
Whoa, his pocket.
It's another one.
What's it say?
I ran out of blue ink, and now he's using black ink. This is really suspicious. I don't know if this is from Daniel. He said that we need to set up an electric fence. Maybe this note really is Daniel. He might be in trouble. Okay, so we gotta go to the other side of the tunnel and set up that fence right now.
Okay, let's do it, let's do it.
Just go.
Maybe there's writings of PZ9 that he left on the wall.
Yeah, let's
So look out for that.
Keep your eyes peeled, yeah.
Wait.
What?
Look at this blue arrow.
Wait.
Oh, we've seen these arrows before. I've seen this. The last time I was here, Chad, it led to H2 Bro.
Whatever happened to that guy?
See, look, there's
Another blue
more.
arrow.
Still here.
Like a water drop.
Yeah, H2 Bro.
Well, H2 Bro is now somewhere in our pool, I think.
That's true, we never did see where he went. Maybe he went back to the tunnels down here.
Maybe.
We might run into him.
Our pool leads to here.
I hope not.
Man, it's so dark in here.
I think we're lost, guys.
No, Chad, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Do you see that?
Oh, is that what the note was talking about? At the end? You gotta set up the electrical fence?
I think
Yes.
that's what Daniel was saying. It's right there, guys. Let's go.
It's the end of the tunnel. Come on. I don't see him. I don't see any hackers either.
Yeah.
We gotta get that invisible fence set up.
All right, guys, here are the flags for the invisible fence. I'm gonna mark it right here.
All right, I'm gonna come over here. Whoever walks in between these two flags, it's gonna activate the Apple Watch. There's a shocking mechanism in it. V's gonna enable it on her iPhone. Whoever walks between these, zap! I just hope Daniel can put that Apple Watch on the hacker and not forget about it, that he's wearing it himself.
I got it activated right now, so all we have to do is wait for the hackers and Daniel.
Okay, where should we hide?
I think this is a good spot right here.
And we
Chad,
could perfectly see the line right here.
Oh, right here.
Perfect. So now we wait.
do you hear that? Do you hear that? They're over there, V. Okay, be ready, get ready.
Does Daniel... He hasn't given the Apple Watch yet.
Wait, which one's Daniel?
We have to hide, we have to hide.
Oh, hey.
What happened to you?
I don't know, I don't really want to go this way. Let's go the other way.
No, let's go this way.
Okay. Alright.
Don't dilly-dally, hurry up!
So it's like, okay.
Look, Daniel. Good luck.
Daniel totally got shocked. He was trying to put the Apple Watch in the guy's pocket, but he didn't get it there on time.
Did not work at all.
Yeah, was his shirt coming out too?
Dang, Daniel.
Alright guys, since that didn't work, they must be on their way to find PZ9 or Justin. We should follow him.
They went down this way. Let's sneak up on him. Look, a black glove.
Wait.
PZ9 wears black gloves.
And it looks like it's been here for months. Look how old it is.
That does not give me hope that Justin's okay if he is indeed PZ9. Wait. It's another one of those spanking sticks.
Oh my gosh.
There's writing on it. It says C220. It's got a spike on it. Yeah. I think it's nothing.
Wait, what happened to Daniel and the hacker? What?
Big straight over here. We don't see him anywhere.
Yeah, they're not there.
They should be in sight. We've been right behind him.
Did Daniel learn how to disappear now?
I doubt
I
it.
don't think he does.
Wait. Look at this. I remember this tunnel. When Daniel and I came in here to rescue PZ9 last time, we all three went into this tunnel. So maybe Daniel remembered that. Maybe Daniel said, let's check this tunnel because PZ9 might be in there.
Oh wow.
So are we gonna go in there or what?
I think we should.
Whoa, you guys, look. It's another black glove.
Could that be?
This doesn't look like the other glove, but maybe there's another hacker in there with Justin.
It's a small tunnel, so be easy for UV.
Yeah, absolutely.
PZ9!
PZ9! Justin! There's light coming in.
Wait, there's one up top?
There's a manhole right here. I can't lift it though. I don't think he would have went up there.
Oh my goodness.
It's too heavy. He would never be able to lift that. All right, this is a really deep tunnel. Last time we were with PZ9, we went really deep.
Okay.
So it could be way down in there.
We're not gonna get lost in there, are we?
Chad, I know how to get back. We're not lost. We gotta take a right, another right, and then keep running, and then we're home.
I've had you navigate for me while I drive V, and I'm not gonna trust that just yet. We'll see what happens.
This is the Spirits Tunnel. I know my way around.
Oh man, we're so deep now.
I'm so tired.
Should we turn around? Or should we keep going?
I think we should keep going.
There's light over there.
Yes, we're almost out. Finally. Yeah.
Get me out of here!
Let's go! You're almost out.
Come on, Regina.
All right, okay, I'm coming.
Look, our backpacks are here.
We just did a complete circle.
What?
Here's that black glove. We went so far, we just did a circle.
Oh no, we didn't even find PZ9.
What a waste of time. All right, let's keep going.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
You gotta be up here somewhere. There's more tunnels. Daniel and the hacker must have went into this tunnel right here. Get ready for it to get dark again. Do you hear that?
That's Daniel's voice. Oh my god. And there's another voice. It must be the hacker.
Yeah, there's two voices. Maybe even a third voice. Did they find PZ9?
They found Justin.
We gotta follow that sound.
Okay.
Can you understand what they're saying?
It's getting louder, so we're getting closer. But it's all muffly. Can't hear anything.
That's all echoey too.
Oh my gosh, guys! Light!
Tunnels!
Yay!
Yay!
Fresh air!
Way out! Hold on.
What?
There's two tunnels. Which way should we go, left or right?
Wait.
Wait, are there boxes? Spy ninjas! Look, there's boxes! See, there's one on that tunnel.
Wait, yeah, and then...
And one on that tunnel. Did you guys...
Stop. What's this?
What?
Look at this.
Green note?
A green note. But all the notes before have been pink.
Or red.
Okay, well, what does it say?
To find PZ9, open the box on the left.
Left.
What's this one? Wait a second though. I don't trust this note because it's green.
And this writing is in black ink. Last note that was written in black ink, Daniel got hit by the electric fence.
I think it's someone pretending to be Daniel.
It's pretty suspicious. But I still have the other notes, so we can actually compare handwritings.
Yes.
Good idea.
Isn't this called like cryptography or something where we examine handwriting? There's a name for it. If any of you guys know, leave a comment down below.
All right, guys, here it is. The red note, the green note. This note is the one that Daniel left us. This green one, we don't know who left it because it's in black ink. PZ9 that Daniel wrote, the 9 connects. This PZ9 doesn't even connect. See that? I feel like these two notes are written by two different people. So I think this one's from Daniel and this one is from a different hacker.
We should not obey the green one. It's a fake Daniel. It's not the real Daniel who wrote this.
So this one says to open the one on the left.
So we're gonna open the one on the right.
Yes.
Am I right? Oh, am I right?
I think you're right. We're gonna open this one and we're gonna find out who PZ9 is.
Yes.
Don't trip over it. All right.
Regina's clumsiness is rubbing off on me.
Maybe you were born with it.
Oh, no, don't do it.
We're gonna finally figure out, is PZ9 Justin?
Ooh.
All right, stand back just in case it's a trap.
Okay.
3,
2, 1,
go! I can't see.
Oh my gosh, I can't see. Hello? Oh my gosh.
Can anybody hear me?
Oh my gosh.
Can anybody hear me?
Hello? I can hear you,
I feel
Chad.
something. Someone's hands on me.
Oh my god. Chad, is this you?
Hello?
Regina?